We're finally to land. It's 3 hours and 24 minutes. 25 minutes. Okay. Can you check the map? Check the map. Check the map. Check the map. Oh God. We're finally almost there. Short finally to landing. Because I believe it's not turbulence again, and we're before to land. Because it's an turbulence.
Before landing.
Before landing. And you
There's
see
no turbulence. Beginning your descent at?
Begin your descent. Okay.
Begin descent from how many? What's your altitude? That's 28,000 feet.
Wait, change
Altitude to Sus, that's a big drop. Oh my God.
0. Oh, wait.
No.
100 feet. 100 feet. Wait. I can see the airport. Where's the airport? 290 degrees. Wait. Where's the airport? I can see the airport there. Where's the airport? Wait. I can see the airport. Malapit na.
Opo, baka di mo abutin. Ang tagal mong bumaba.
Go down! Autopilot on!
You can start going down properly. Here's the airport.
Look at me.
25,000 feet ka ito.
35,000 feet.
You have to go down to 1,000.
1,000.
We're still 23. Overspeeding.
23. Where's the airport? Andun. Ayun. Papa, you can see it. Papa, where is it?
That's a very
Long strip road. And where's the airport? I can see the airport. Too slow down.
Check mo yung map. Ano yung orientation ng airport.
RPLN.
Oh, see? Yeah, that's the long strip nga talaga.
Oh, that's long strip. Oh. Ito. I can see the long strip.
I-check mo, dalawa yan.
I-check mo. Ito. Ayun,
Ito, isa pa, ito.
Ito yun,
Yung itong isa.
Yung may itong isa.
Yung orange.
I can... Okay.
So, you have to position, align yourself.
Align.
Align yourself doon sa airport.
Okay. Where is it? Over here!
Ayan.
Over here! Over here! Oh my God! Arriving at destination! Slowly. Lowering the gears! Flat!
Reverse engine. Overspeeding.
Can we the short final?
We'll start descending from there now.
Descending. 10 nautical miles. Okay. Compass arc. We're starting descending. We're starting our descending. We're starting our descending.
We're starting our descent.
Descend. Starting
Yan.
our
Okay,
descent.
there's the airport here.
There's airport. There's airport.
Okay, hold on lang.
Okay.
Steady lang, steady lang.
Steady, 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 steady.
Steady ang pagkakas. Uga-uga mo yung mga passengers mo.
Oh!
Arriving at destination.
In 1 minute.
Let's go, let's go.
Okay, what's long, what's long, what's long, what's long.
Align yourself, baba ka. Ayun, dapat nandun ka na sa may mga red boxes.
Red boxes, red boxes. CD.
Very good.
Very good, very good, very good. Very good, very good, very good. Very good, very good.
Yeah, very good. Oh, very good.
What?
Lift.
Lift.
Let's stand up.
1,000.
Oh, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000.
Very good.
1,000, 1,000. Reverse, 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 reverse.
500. 300.
Engine, reverse engine, that's
200.
coming in hot. Yep. Reverse engine.
200.
Oh.
130.
Very good.
Reverse engine. Oh. Okay,
What
we're
happened?
short final. We're short final.
What?
Oh, okay, we go. Where go? Oh,
Reverse
good.
engine na reverse engine.
150. 10.
Oh.
Oh. No, don't.
Good na bago yung landing na kanina.
Okay, we're only survive.
Okay, good. Welcome. What's that? Is that na iya airport?
Yes, it's Naiya. Oh, no what? Okay, welcome to Manila.
Mm-hmm.
Welcome to Manila. Oh my God, we survived. 259 survivors, 6 injuries, and 1 fatalities. Nagka-turbulence?
May namatay dun sa turbulence?
During the landing.
Okay. May na-injured?
Okay, we're injured. Okay, outgoing passengers. I mean the airplane side. Check the ground services. What? Not where? So, where are your airplane slides? Where are your airplane slides? Because passenger won't slide it. Won't slide it. Papa, I can't start during the landing.
Hindi man. Tama man yung landing mo. Masyado lang mabilis. Follow the yellow line and hold short.
Hold short. Papa, ito. Kasi, baka. Kasi ma-afford sila. Papa, can you finish this in back of the vehicle? Papa, I need to stop. Papa, I need to stop. Get up. No, don't touch me with this bus.
Go! Oh. And what's the ground services?
Okay. Oh, yes. We can do that.
Ba't pinupush back mo?
Kasi you almost crashing his bus.
Hindi man. Tama lang.
Okay, you captured. Okay. Push the stop. What engine? Okay. lights.
Okay.
And start outgoing. Start outgoing.
Okay.
Papa, the passengers were outgoing.
The passengers.
Were outgoing.
Ay, ba't ganyan?
Akala ko yung jetway.
Akala ko doon sa ano.
Jetway. Sa jetway. Akala ko doon sa jetway. Papa, you start the outgoing. Tas yung outgoing cargo. Outgoing passengers and cargo. Papa, look ko, yung cargo ma-outgoing. Outgoing cargo and passengers. Seatbelts, no smoking.
Okay. Nanay ka.
Okay, let's end flight and let's replay.
Yung ano mo, yung recording mo. Yeah,
Remove
stop.